Tell us something about Three Roses.
It's a story of four unapologetically flawed women. Have you seen four more shots? It's somewhere like that. This is my second collaboration with AHA.
अगर हम RX 100 की बात करें तो क्या अफसोस होता है कि आपने किसी फिल्म पे आपने बहुत काम किया और एक बहुत चर्चा होती है उसके बारे में.
Sajid sir casted for this and they have taken Tara Sutaria. So I'm happy with the cast. Can you see tears in my eyes? Yeah, I'm sad. Thank you so much for having me here, and I've seen almost all interviews of yours. So yeah, I'm excited to be with you finally.
We have with us Payal Rajput here in Hyderabad at AHA 2.0 event. Pleasure having you with us on Bollywood Hungama.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me here, and I've seen almost all interviews of yours. So yeah, I'm excited to be with you finally.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Okay, and I believe your series Three Roses is something that has been spoken about quite a lot, and it's being showcased quite wonderfully out here. So tell us something about Three Roses.
So very first thing I would say, I would love to share that this is my second collaboration with AHA, this OTT platform, and earlier I have done one movie, Anganga Oka Atithi. It's like a dark and depressive cinema. So second time I'm working for Three Roses. It's a series, it's a story of four unapologetically flawed women. Have you seen four more shots? It's somewhere like that. And when this offer came to me, I was like, without a second thought, I embraced this project just because I wanted to do something like, so much of, youth and bubbly and, beautiful and bold characters. So that's why I said yes to this character.
So आपके लिए कितना ज़रूरी है एक certain एक level of importance of portrayal of women in whatever you're doing right now?
See, that is very important. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल जो स्टोरीज और सीरीज़ हैं वो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स बहुत आगे आ रही हैं और हम बहुत ज़्यादा फीमेल सेंट्रिक मूवीज़ को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं थ्रू OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स. तो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है और मुझे मोर एंड मोर आई एम लाइक इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स दीज काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स, फीमेल सेंट्रिक, जहाँ पे हम हीरो होते हैं.
Yeah, I think that's a great way of saying it. So when we look at RX 100, for example, maybe it was a film which was ahead of its time. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि portrayal of women in a certain manner, which breaks the stereotypes. वो आपके लिए कितना ज़रूरी है?
वो बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो होना भी चाहिए. I'll tell you a small little thing. I did RX 100 in 2018. After that, you won't believe, around 20 to 30 projects same came on my way. So मुझे लगता है उस चीज़ को हमें ब्रेक करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप हर मूवी में वही रिपीट करें. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि सिनेमा आज भी उस पे खड़ा है कि वो ब्रेक करने दे. So it takes lot of efforts to be there and breaking that stereotype of image or whatsoever.
And so RX 100 it's a pan-India film. People have seen it all across the country.
Tadap is coming. Now Tadap is coming.
Right. So किस तरीके के offers आपको Bollywood से आपको आए हैं? And have you been considering anything?
Yeah, to be very honest, it is very difficult to get a Bollywood movie. I'm reading a lot of scripts, but what I want, it's not coming on my way, to be very honest, okay? So I'm doing a few projects. I'm doing this Golmaal movie in Tamil, then Headbush, it's a biopic again in Kannada, and 2-3 more projects in Telugu. I mean, I'm flooded with offers. It's not like that. It's just that to get into Bollywood, it takes a lot of time, struggle, efforts, and I think according to me, I am doing my best. Let's see, it's all destiny. Your hard work and your destiny go hand in hand. So that's the only way.
So क्या अफसोस होता है कि आपने किसी फिल्म पे आपने बहुत काम किया और एक बहुत चर्चा होती है उसके बारे में, बट मे बी इन अ रीमेक आपको शायद उसमें कुछ तरीके से कंसिडर ना किया जाए. Does that bother you? Does that affect you?
It does sometimes.
Because अगर हम RX 100 की बात करें तो आपके जो पोर्ट्रेयल को, आपके परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया गया. It stood out in a way.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to be part of Tadap, of course. No denial in that. But it's completely up to producers and it is completely up to the team. Like Sajid sir casted for this and they have taken Tara Sutaria. So I'm happy with the cast. It's a stellar cast, no doubt in that. But yeah, I wanted to be part of Tadap. Of course, who will say no to that? Can you see tears in my eyes? Yeah, I'm sad.
पंजाबी सिनेमा से भी आपका एसोसिएशन रहा है. अभी रिसेंटली 2 फिल्में जो पंजाबी की आई हैं, Hostarak and Poda, both have done.
I did my debut in 2000.
I know, Channa Meria.
Channa Mere, it's an official remake of Sairat.
What I'm saying is that अभी recently जो दो पंजाबी फिल्में आई हैं, they have done very well at the box office.
All right.
So any chances of
I'm already doing one with Gippy Grewal sir. It's Shavani Girdharilal. It's a multi-starrer movie and it's releasing on 17th of December. So it's going to be a short hit because Gippy sir is there and it's amazing stories there. So content-wise, I think it's going to hit the yeah.